Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 185 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another LA Colors eyeshadow palette. So this is their 6-color eyeshadow palette in the color shade Fling. This claims to be crease-proof color for all-day wear. And already on my channel I tried it out in the shade Playful. And together you get such a nice shade range. So I found both of these at the Dollar Tree for only $1 each. So look at this like amazing shade range palette that you would get for only $2. I'm so excited to try these colors out. They seem so fun and mermaid-like, great for the summertime. And I like to mention that LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. So I recently learned, actually from a Jeffree Star video, what these little icons on the back of the package that look like a container with a number followed by the letter M, what that little icon actually means. And it means the amount of time that the product is good for once you open it. This one is for 36 months, so 3 years. So in this palette, they're all the same finish. They're all a slightly shimmery shade, so you don't get a mix of mattes and shimmers like you do in the Pocket LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. But these are such pretty colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Look at how beautiful these swatched. They actually have pretty nice pigment and they all have a very pretty metallic finish to them. I love these colors. These are some of my favorite colors. All right, so unfortunately, no mirror in this. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I feel like this product really does help, especially with inexpensive eyeshadows, to help make them a little bit more crease-proof. And it will even help them show up a bit more pigmented, blend out better. If you want to see my video on the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, I will link that down below. When I use the primer potion, I do like to set my eyes with a lighter shade and then build up colors on top of it because I find that the product just blends better when it's not all super tacky. But I really don't have a base color in this palette and I want to only use colors in this palette. But I think in my crease, I'm gonna go in with this first pretty teal shade. There is a lot of kickback in this palette. This color is definitely blending out fine, but it's not showing up super pigmented when I'm applying it with the brush. When I swatched it using my finger, the product just showed up so much more pigmented. And that does seem to be the case with those kind of metallic, shimmery shades. It's just always so much more pigmented and brighter when you apply it with your finger. But that'll do as a transition shade. I'm gonna use my fingers though in order to try and build up the most color. I think now on the outer portion of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this royal blue shade. Ooh, yeah. Now I'm seeing some beautiful color, sheen, pigment. Wow, yeah, that applies so beautifully with my finger. I am gonna have to go in and blend it, fix it up since I can't get super precise and it'll be a little bit harsh lined when I use my finger. But that's okay, I'm gonna make it work. Next, in the middle, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade. This purple shade is so pretty to me. Beautiful. It's so bright. Like it really comes across as like a neon purple. I love it. All of these colors just go so beautifully together too. And then on the inside, I'm going to go in with the pinky shade here because it wouldn't be a Christy eye look if I left out the pink. Oh yeah. This color is so, so pretty. Gosh, and we get such a beautiful like ombre tie-dye effect with these colors. This eyeshadow look is coming out so much more beautiful than I expected. Maybe my makeup skills have gotten better since we're almost at day 200 of trying a new makeup product every day. For day 100, I did a giveaway and it was so much fun for me, and I'm thinking for day 200, I'll do another giveaway. Let me know what you would think of that. What do you think I should do to celebrate 200 days of trying a new makeup product every day? Just want to make sure that I blend these eyeshadows out a bit, but I don't want them to blend together too much because I want them to be a gradient effect. All right, well, I think if I were doing this look, just like to wear this beautiful gradient look, I would repeat the same pattern on my lower lash line, but because I want to get a full review of this eyeshadow palette, I've used all of the shades so far except for this middle teal green shade, so I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I love this! Wow, I absolutely love these colors. I'm so impressed by how they applied. The sheen and metallicness of them is so pretty to me. I just love that type of eyeshadow. And the colors are just so beautiful. I'm so glad I picked up this palette because I absolutely love playing around with colors like this. And I'm so in love with this makeup look that I just created. I'm about to go give myself a photo shoot while I'm wearing such beautiful eyeshadow. I am so impressed by dollar store LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I've said that about almost all of the eyeshadow palettes that I've tried out, and I really cannot pick a favorite, but this one is so good. I absolutely love it. I think it's going to be so much fun for the summertime. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.